Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's read our question. It says that first write down the functions of the three segments of a transistor, and then there is a waveform that is shown, that is for the two inputs A and B, and these waveforms are getting passed through the AND gate. We have to draw the output waveform. So let's just first concentrate on the functions of the three segments of a transistor. So basically a transistor is having three parts or the three segments. First is the emitter which we represent by E. Then we have the base, that is by B, and then we have the collector, that is given by C. So basically there are two kinds, they are NPN or PNP. Alright, so what is the function of an emitter? This emitter is actually moderate size and heavily doped. I'll just write down the important things for it. Moderate size and heavily doped. It supplies a large number of majority carriers for the current flow through the transistor. Now, obviously when it is going to be heavily doped, therefore it is providing us a lot number of charge carriers. Talking about the base, it is the control segment basically. It is the control segment and it is very thin and lightly doped. So basically it just kind of acts as a connection between the emitter and the collector. Talking about collector, it is the segment that collects major portion of the majority charge carriers by the emitter. So it's as the name suggests, the function of it is to collect the charge carriers given by the emitter. It is moderately doped. However, the size is large as compared to the emitter. So now let's talk about the waveform, that is the part B of this question. Here we are given two input waves A and B, and we have to find out or make the output waveform and also write down the truth table for this logic gate. So first of all, it is a very good habit that if we first write down the truth table and then we can, using the conclusions of truth table, we can find out how the waveform works. So it is very easy, when it is an AND gate, let us just make the input and let this be the output. So that this is A, this is B, and this is going to be equal to A dot B. So because there are two inputs, it could have four combinations. It is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So we are knowing the output, it is going to be equal to 0 0 0 1. So let's talk about the waveforms now. See, this is 0 level, this is 1 level, this is again 0 level, this is 1 level. I have extended it here so that I could just make the output waveforms here itself. Alright, so initially both of them are 0, so obviously it is going to be 0 and extend it to next level. Look at the next level. It has reached 1 and it is still 0. So 1 and 0 is again 0. So 0 again. Now it is 1 and it is 1. So both of them are 1. Therefore the output will also be 1. It has reached 1. Extend it to next level. It is 0. It is 1 again. So 0 and 1 is 0. So coming back here. It is 0. It is 0. Alright, no problem. 0 again. Now it is 1. It is 0. 1 0 again 0. Alright. It is 0. That's 1. So that's going to be 0 again. So this is it. Right. So it is always convenient that if we have the truth table, we can just easily go for our things. Alright, so this waveform question, it looks difficult, but it is one of the most interesting questions. Just pay a little attention to how it's being done and you can easily crack such kind of questions. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.